Yo, what's up, everyone? Today, we're breaking down the slang term PM. So, what does it actually mean? In simple words, PMG is pretty much guaranteed. People use it when something is almost certain to happen or be true. Sometimes it can also mean something slightly different depending on the context. Where did it come from? Slang usually has a cool backstory. PMG first showed up in the early 2010s within online gaming communities. Over time, it spread into everyday talk, especially among gamers and social media users. Now let's check out how to use PMG in a sentence. Correct example 1. If you want to get good seats, booking early is PMG the best strategy. Correct example 2. I'm PMG going to ace this test if I keep studying. And for laughs, here's a wrong example. My grandma said PMG at Sunday dinner and everyone just froze. See how slang adds personality and vibe? Using PMG right makes you sound natural, but using it wrong can be hilarious. Quick recap. PMG means pretty much guaranteed. It started in the online gaming scene in the early 2010s, and now you'll hear it in conversations, online, or even in music. Now it's your turn. Drop your best sentence with PMG in the comments. And if you want to learn more slang and fun word histories, don't forget to subscribe and join our community here every day.